Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titignan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances for 2025. Ayan, so if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, and also comment na rin kung naka-resonate kayo. Okay, so let's see, Leo. What's up sa inyong kaperahan? Money, career, finances for Leo ngayong 2025. Energy. Ayan, marami raw kayong energy. Marami rin kayong mga creative ideas, no? So, yung mga creative ideas nyo na to, you're going to put in the work. So, tatrabahuhin mo talaga. Mas magiging masipag kayo. You also have love. So, maaring you are also attracting love, romantic connections. This can be love for yourself or love for your work, your career. And I think, yung iba sa inyo, yung trabaho or yung source of income nyo ngayon ay magbibigay sa inyo ng kasiyahan. Kasi mahal nyo yung ginagawa nyo. O, 'di ba? Tapos, prosperous. Kasi kung gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, mahal mo yung career mo, trabaho mo, or kahit nasabihin pa natin wala kang work, pero yung mga taong inaasahan mo, like anak mo, asawa mo, parents mo, they are doing well. So, syempre, ikaw rin kasama na rin doon, damay ka na rin doon, 'di ba? But for some of you, itong passion ninyo sa inyong trabaho, career, or business, this is going to bring more prosperity sa inyo ngayong 2025. At mas lalo kayong may energize. Oo. I-check nyo yung angel number 1313. Number 1 is for new beginnings, no? And collaboration. Number 3, expansion. So, maaring meron kayong bagong trabaho, business, or career, or mapagkakakitaan na darating ngayong 2025. So, what else do we have? You have the Knight of Swords, the Knight of Wands, the Two of Wands, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Star. Wow! So, worth it ang magiging paghihintay ninyo, Leo. Maaring meron kayong mga magagandang ideas, no? Ngayong 2025 na i-research ninyo, aaralin ninyo, at gagawa kayo ng paraan para kung paano nyo to maisa sa katuparan. So, you're going to finally take action. Some of you magte-take pa kayo ng risks. And also, may mga mag-open din na bagong options, opportunities sa inyo. Hindi lang isa, no? Pwedeng dalawa yan, 2 or more. Okay? So, you will be working hard ngayong 2025. And ito kasing 7 of Pentacles is waiting for fruition. So, yung mga trinabaho mo, in-effortan mo for 2025, bago matapos ang taon, you will see the results, no? Bago matapos ang taong 2025. May mga times lang na kailangan mong maging patient, maghintay, dahil ibibigay naman talaga sa'yo yung para sa'yo. Oo. And the star is also about healing. So, kung meron kang naging challenges when it comes to your finances ngayong 2025, ito ay maaayos mo, no? Kung nag-struggle ka financially or struggle sa workplace, maaayos mo rin. Kasi the star is about healing. You are healing. And also, maaari ring yung iba sa inyo magiging sikat, or yung kumbaga makikilala kayo sa field ninyo, sa larangan ng inyong career, ng inyong business. May mga matutupad kayong mga dreams. And yung iba, you will go international. So, kung dati local lang yung trabaho mo, pwedeng makakapag-abroad ka. Or yung iba naman, kung ang business ninyo, local lang yung sinuserve ninyo, ngayon pwede na kayong mag-send sa ibang bansa. Pwede na kayong magkaroon ng business with them. It's time. Ooh, it's time for what? Ooh, it's time to explore, Leo. 2025 is a year for you to explore. So, yung iba, pwedeng pupunta sa ibang lugar, ibang bansa, para hanapin ang kanya-kanyang kapalaran, no? Yung kapalaran nyo sa work, sa trabaho niyo or business. Maaring merong bagong perspective, bagong direction na tatahakin ka ngayong 2025. It's a yes. Ayan, sabi dito, the situation or event is right on track at this time. So, ano man yung mga magaganap sa career mo, sa business, sa finances mo, yun ay talagang nasa tamang oras. Okay? Tamang panahon siya. Kaya may mga bagay na kapag hindi nyo nakukuha, ibig sabihin, hindi pa yun yung tamang panahon. No? So, whatever is right on track, yun talaga yung makikita mo. Yun talaga yung may experience mo. Very focused ka. Oo, tunnel vision kasi to eh. So, you have prosperity. Focus ka in your prosperity sa pagdating ng 2025. You are going to make more money. Money maker ka, Leo. So, some of you maaring merong sudden wealth. Yung tipong biglaan kang merong biglaang malaking pera na dumating sa'yo. Pwedeng through game of luck, no? Pwede rin namang sumugal ka pagdating sa business, tapos in a span of a few months, kumita ka ng bonggang-bongga. 'Di ba? May mga ganun din naman na talagang nangyayari. Let's see what else for Leo. Grabe, Leo, yung word na prosperity, 3 beses lumabas sa reading nyo. Ito, prosperity, and then prosperity ulit. Sabi dito, prosperity is flowing. Have faith that you will receive it in the perfect form. O, diba? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong tamang panahon. Marireceive nyo kung kailan ito dapat nasa inyo. Perfect. New growth and potential is on the horizon. Reach out and embrace it. So there's definitely growth in your career, business, in your finances. Malaki yung potential nito. So, siguro yung iba sa inyo multitask. Marami kayong work na susubukan or any source of income. Feel and allow a deeper sense of peace to fill you now. This is a divine quality. So, pagkakaroon ng deeper sense of peace. Di ba pag nagkakaroon tayo ng peace of mind, kapag wala tayo masyadong iniintindi pa na problema pagdating sa pera. So, some of you, Leo, you will experience sense of peace dahil feeling mo, nararamdaman mo na lahat ng needs mo ay maibibigay sa'yo. So, syempre, rin naman yan? Through hard work, through actions, 'di ba? Let's see what else, Leo. Nako, maaring meron kang makasalamuha, makatrabaho, makilala na hindi maaasahan. Kung may negosyo ka, pwedeng tauhan mo, hindi maasahan, ka-business partner mo, hindi maasahan. So, kailangan dito maging maingat at mag-set ka ng proper expectations. Okay? Parang hindi nagsasabi ng totoo. Uy, lucky you! This is your lucky time. Wow. So, things are turning in your favor. Take advantage of this opportunity and make the most out of it. Wow. Okay. Law and order, so maaring you will be processing documentations sa business mo, sa trabaho mo, mga paperworks, permits that you will need. Or meron kang asikasuhin sa korte about a job or a career or a business. Anxiety isn't trying to limit you but free you from a situation that no longer feels good. So yung iba sa inyo, if there is a situation sa career, trabaho, business na you don't feel na parang hindi ka na masaya, hindi ka na contented, so may discomfort na, so yung iba sa inyo, you are going to leave that situation for a new experience. Ayan. So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much and good luck for 2025. Bye.